This is a men's shirt making video, part 3, side seams and side splits. This video covers the construction of the side seams and side splits, using the run and fell seam finish. A split at the bottom of the side seam is an optional detail. First, you'll need to secure the pleat positions on the sleeve hems before you begin. Align the side seams wrong side to wrong side. Misplace the back piece on top of the front piece by 1 cm. For this seam, the front's seam allowance will be 1.5 cm and the back's will be 0.5 cm. Begin stitching from the side split starting point, making sure to backstitch. Ensure the stepped seam allowances are 1 cm longer than your planned split. Correctly match the side notches and underarms. Next, open up the seam from the right side. On the back, double fold and edge stitch towards the right side of the fabric. Snip the top of the stepped seam allowance close to the stitch line. Now fold and press 0.5 cm of the front's seam allowance. The stepped seam allowance on the front should also be double folded at this stage. Edge stitch the stepped seam for the split. Open the main seam again and edge stitch it to complete the run and fell finish. This stitch should continue through the armhole. Turn the stitch at the split starting point and stitch across the seam allowances. A bar tack finish is also a useful option here. Finally, press the seam and the sleeve again. This completes part 3. The video will continue with part 4.